Come back. Now crawl through the tube.
One.
Okay, give it to her now. Good girl, Misha. Yay! She was walking.
Misha, come here. Cheater, you gotta go through the tunnel.
She wasn't born yesterday, you know. She knows she can go through the tunnel.
Good doggy. You made it to the other side, but you didn't make it the fastest tube.
Just shine it on the other end.
Hi.
I think it wiggles and that's throwing her off.
You want it. There's no way.
There you go. Do just like that, Dylan. Very good.
Not go around me.
Hi, baby.
I see you, Misha.
Good girl.
Come on. Come on.
What are you making me do?
Come on, dinosaur. Go in there.
Wiggle the tube. I think that's the movement of it. She's thinking about it. You can tell. She's like, I gotta get that light, but it's in that tube. And I know I can walk around.
She'll try to go through the side.
Whoa!
Where's that sack? Give me that sack. Here, Misha. Hey, you're a good girl. Hey, you. Let's go back this way. Dylan, and you help teach her how to walk. These are some of her first steps. Ooh, she might have took a step or two.
Oh, yeah, I love the video.
Hey. You coming? You gonna come and get it? Come on.
Oh, is that a video?
Yeah.
You come and get it.
Big girl.
What a big girl. Oh, you were going too fast, huh? There, did you get a couple? No, okay, ready? No, that's my camera.
Can I use the other camera that's flat?
Maybe we'll use that
Come on,
next.
sweetie. Hey.
Come here. Get the pretty light.
Come
Should I move the table?
Whose camera?
Come
That
here.
was Ryan's.
There she goes.
Oh, wow.
What a good girl.
Yeah, you could do a little
What a
bit.
good
Yeah.
girl, Misha.
Yeah, I think you're
Okay,
Misha.
so we open this
Big
up.
girl. Big
The
girl.
power goes on.
Big girl.
Oh, you know what?
Where are you going?
Charged up.
Where are you going?
Charge it.
I'm not
Now, 3 AA batteries. Ooh, those won't last long, do they?
Where are you going? Misha.
Oh, those were AA's I put in.
The dinosaur book.
Triple A's in here. Well, aren't you glad we don't have that dog anymore? Good girl. You are going to be running by next week.
Keep walking. Dylan, walk over to the kitchen. Walk out to the kitchen. Or that way, that works too. Go see Dylan. Misha. Go see Dylan. Misha. Hey. Dylan, call Misha. See if she'll come see you. Come here. Come here, Wobbly. Ta-da! Boop!
So what did Paul have to send you today? How's their progression of? They're about 3 hours from the brother's house.
Yeah. Come here.
So did they put the? Oh, so the trailer's not for sale because they want to see what.
Dylan, call Misha.
Right.
What are you eating?
So your husband gets the van? Maybe.
Mom, what are you eating?
Potato salad?
I think Misha thinks she might like potato salad. Voo voo voo, you're French. say shush, shush, shush.
The only thing in there is the celery she could use.
She ate a really good dinner though.
Oh,
Yeah. She had her hot tuna fish and macaroni.
If you don't hot tuna fish?
Well, I mixed the cold tuna in with her macaroni and cheese.
Oh.
I know, 'cause her favorite thing at home is tuna helper.
Oh,
She
okay.
loves that. She loves it. And her
That's on that too.
and her second favorite thing is any kind of fish Daddy makes on the stove.
Well, that's good. Fish is good for you.
And she
Fish
likes
is brain food, yeah.
spicy Indian spices and Thai spice. She likes curry and she likes spicy fish. And she loves rice.
Yeah. Hello.
Misha. Hello, Ferocious. Hey, Misha, go. Rawr. Oh. Big girl walking. Oh. Good job. Peekaboo. Little girl.